General Problem Solver with AI. In 1956, two computer scientists, Alan Newell and Herbert A. Simon, made a program called the General Problem Solver. They believed that symbols, like letters or signs, are very important for how people understand the world. For example, when you see a stop sign, you know to stop your car. When you see the letter A, you know it makes a certain sound. They thought if a computer could connect symbols like humans do, it would be intelligent. However, not everyone agreed that connecting symbols would make a computer smart. For example, if you program a car to stop at a stop sign, it doesn't mean the car is intelligent. In 1980, a philosopher named John Searle explained this idea in a thought experiment called the Chinese room argument. Imagine you're in a room with no windows and just one slot in the door to send and receive messages. Inside the room, you have a book that tells you how to reply to messages in Chinese. You don't understand Chinese, but the book gives step-by-step instructions for matching Chinese symbols. Someone outside the room writes you a note in Chinese and pushes it through the slot. You look up the symbols in the book, find the response, and send back the answer. The person outside might think you know Chinese, but you're just following the book. Searle said this proves you don't really understand the Chinese words, you're just following rules. He used this example to show that a computer matching symbols doesn't mean it's smart. Computers like Siri or Alexa do something similar. They match your words to a pre-written answer. For example, if you ask Siri, "How are you?" it might say, "I'm fine." But Siri doesn't really understand the question or how it feels, it's just following its programming. Searle argued that just matching symbols and giving answers doesn't make something truly intelligent. For many years, scientists tried to make intelligent computers by matching symbols, like in the Chinese room. This idea, called the physical symbol system, was the main focus of AI research for 25 years. But programming all these symbol matches took a lot of time and effort. There were too many possible combinations of symbols to handle. This led to something called a combinatorial explosion, meaning there were too many possibilities to manage. Even the largest books of rules couldn't handle all the different combinations. Searle and other thinkers said this approach would never lead to real intelligence. Real intelligence requires understanding meaning, not just following rules or matching symbols. The Chinese room argument is still used today to explain why some AI systems aren't truly intelligent. Even though physical symbol systems didn't create real intelligence, they were an important step in the history of AI.